Hi, hello friends. So good morning to everyone. I hope you had watched yesterday video. If you didn't, then subscribe my channel to get the strategy at the right time. So now here you are going to see yesterday review and also strong support and strong resistance today market as per price action. Right? So today let's see the review of yesterday market. So yesterday, which I mentioned at video. So this one is the image which I posted on yesterday video. As I mentioned clearly, as I told, here you have strong resistance, right? And once it acts as a resistance, then the target will be a reversal. The target will be here. The next target will be here, right? I hope when acting as a resistant, usually the target might be reversal. So here is a target of reversal trend of 10,405 resistant, and the target will be this two target. See here, this is the image which I taken before the market. So now I show you the image which I taken after at the end of market time, right? Yes, wait, okay, fine. Yes, so this is image which I taken at the end of market time. All right, so here, see here, as I mentioned yesterday, the strong resistance at 10,405. See, it exactly taken resistance at my zone, and it went down and hit the target of first target 10,365, and the next time hit the target of 10,405, right? See, as I mentioned, it hit two target, almost hit two target. So in maybe it maybe miss it maybe 10 minus 10 or minus 7 point is not a big issue because a Nifty having volatile, right? And here missed by just minus 10 point, but it almost hit target of 10,338, right? From here, from this you get almost of 60 to 65 point. All right, so now see, again taking bounce exactly from here because the price action is still above the line. It chance to taking support after the confirmation of taking support, and the target is reversal. Now this is the first target, the next target will be here. See, and taking bounce exactly from my level of 10,338 and hit the target of 10,075. That's it. Again you get solid point of 30 to 35 point, right? This is how to scalping at a right time, right? And act as resistant. See, here it act as resistant, and again it act as resistance. Now you can go for sell below this zone. Here you can go for sell entry and hit the target of same level of 10,338. See, now is it perfectly my target of 10,338. As I mentioned, once it hit my target, and you can looking for short bounce. See, again once again hit taking bounce from my level here. Here give some price action buy trigger, and you can go for the first target is here, then just hold with strictly stop loss. The second target will be same at the level of 10,375. That's it. See, so here you can start booking your profit. All right, so now the market acting as a resistant, as I mentioned here. See, resistant and acting as resistance, and here it has sharp bounce, short fall from here, and it almost hit strong target of 10,305, which I mentioned here. See, once it break this strong support, so initially it act as support. Once it break this support, then you can go for the target of 10,300 and 10,218, right? And below the target will be 215. Anyhow, these are the two important point now to watch at price action. See here, almost hit 10,300. Let's see whether it had target of 10,300. Okay, fine. See, just it tested the level of 10,300 and also hit the target of 10,218. Also, as I mentioned clearly, so below 10,280 only you can go for bearish trend after the confirmation of price action sell trigger, but taking support, that is no sell trigger now, taking support and it bounced back, and again it gave some small profit, might be again it retested the level of 10,300, but here you should not go for trade. Again still the market looking weak, acting every time resistance. Here you find some strong bearish trend, right? So that's it, guys. So here you make some good profit as per our strategy. So here on first entry you make solid point of 60 to 65, and here you make some 40 to 35 point. Once again here you make some 30 to 25 point. Once again here you make some point around same level 50 to 16 point, and here you have short confirmation of strong sell trigger, and here you can go for strong sell, and here it hit our target of big target 10,300 and 10,218, right? This is out. The price action is working well as per our strategy, right? This is only which I provided in my like training section as well as in Telegram group. If you want, you can learn our strategy at weekend, right? You can make some good money consistently, right? So now we move on today market. Today let's see today's strong support and strong resistance, right? So now we see strong support and strong resistance, right? So again today the market is open with gap down of minus 32 minus 50 points. The important level at gap down 10,335 for bullish trend and 10,305 for bearish market. So below the bearish market confirmation of 10,305 sell trigger at price action, then you can go for downside target of 10,275 and 10,214. Again 10,214 acting some support. Below that you can go for the target of 10,210 and 10,118. The 118 is the strong support at lower level, right? For bullish trend. So for bullish trend, as I mentioned earlier, 10,335. Above that target will be 10,317, 10,405. Again 10,317 had as some resistance, and the strong resistance at 10,405, right? And these are the overall view today. At higher level you have strong resistance at 10,405, at lower level you have this strong support of 10,118, and for bullish and for bearish market just these are the two level. So 10,335 and 10,305, right? So that's it. Again this is our overall view today, and if there is unexpected gap up opening, then again the level will updated in my Telegram channel at live market, so you can stay here for more updates, right? And it so here I given my link below description, and you can click and subscribe my channel for daily upcoming video. And once again, don't forget to click subscribe button. We'll see you on next video, and strictly follow this rule, right? Bye bye.